Hello, sir. I am Michelle from the Ghost Elevator. How are you?
Oh, fine. Your company is big company. I'm Bodrul, come from Bangladesh. Advanced Development and Technology. Our
Yeah.
company is a real estate company in Bangladesh, a big company.
May I have any question? Would you please tell me your name and where you are from? Your name?
My name is
Yeah.
UTTARA.
Where you come from?
Come home in Bangladesh.
Okay. And may I know the name of your company, please?
Advanced Development and Technology is real estate company in Bangladesh.
Yes. By this time, you have already visited our Ghost Elevator manufacturing plant and head office. Would you please share your opinion about the factory and the quality of our products?
Good morning, visit your factory and head office. I think your factory is big, your company is big in China. I can try buy your product.
Okay, thank you. And finally, you have already experienced riding our Ghost Elevator. Would you please share your feedback reading and riding smoothly?
Yeah.
Riding slow. It was a little bit slow.
No, your elevator. Now I can see your elevator is very smooth.
Okay.
So
So,
maybe
yes, thank you very much. Yes.